Hi everyone. I had a question on one of the video I made. Its name is Kobe. Kobe asked me how did I do the coolant system, what I did to it, and did I remove the tank that holds the coolant that is under the battery on the original Vulcan. So I'm gonna show you there is no tank anymore holding any coolant anywhere. I got rid of it. So the only coolant that I have right now, I mean, it's in the engine, in the block, and probably in the tube, in the hose, and in a radiator. There is nowhere else where I have a tank holding coolant. So you can see it's very basic. The filler is here, and it goes down towards the radiator going into the block, I believe, and it's there is that impeller turning and I think sending the coolant to the block, and then it goes on each cylinder head all the way up and going back into the filler neck. So I did ride the bike a couple of times here in South Florida. Got some pretty hot weather. I haven't done it during summer yet, so I can't speak for that. But the ride I did, I never seen the fan running. But I know it's running. I mean, I know the fan is working. The thing I'm not maybe sure is the fan switch. I haven't tested that fan switch, so I will have to remove it and put it in some water in a pan and turn the heat to heat up that pan, that water, and see if that switch is working. I know I have power coming here, and the switch, when arriving at a certain temperature, will do contact and bring the 12 volt to the fan that will run. So it's either my coolant system is efficient enough like that, since the fan didn't turn on. So that will mean that it is okay. If it was turning on all the time, I will think I might miss some coolant. Now, yes, that thing might be something that I want to check if the fan never ever start. That will be the culprit. This is the fan switch, and here in the back you can see another connector. I don't know if you can see this one. This is for the coolant temperature light. So that goes to your odometer, and it will, if it's too hot, it will show you, the light will turn on and tell you that you have something very hot. I might be able to do something, maybe put a dummy's light somewhere to make sure, you know. But so far so good, as I say. So that's about it for the coolant. It's very, very easy. Here I think they had a little tube going down somehow on the original bike. It's when it's boiling or something, it's for the coolant to be able to go somewhere. I just put a cap, and again, when I put it, I thought maybe it's just gonna be sprayed away by the pressure built up by the coolant system. But so far, again, I haven't seen anything. Everything seems good. Pretty pleased with it. So I guess time will tell if it's efficient. But for now, very happy with everything. So Kobe, I hope I answer your question, and everybody else, if you have any question, please feel free, post in the comment, and I will reply and explain as best as I can. So thanks for watching, and thank you for your support, and see you next time. Fade away, blend into